Hi, this is Kathy Yee, and I'm Ron Miller of Pursuit Physiotherapy. And today we're going over the 5 different types of lower back pain. Yes, not all lower back pain is the same and can be treated by a cookie cutter approach. There's different subsets or different types of back pain. And the goal, if you're seeking treatment, is to identify what is causing your back pain. So today we're going to go over 5 different types of back pain that you need to be aware of. So Kathy, what would be one type of back pain?
Cause of back pain?
Yes.
Would be an SI joint issue.
Okay, so the SI joint is, where your pelvis attaches to the base of your sacral spine or even the bottom of the spinal cord. Okay, so it forms an SI joint, and an SI joint problem can cause lower back pain. But an example of this is if you get treatment in the low back, but you have an SI joint problem, you're missing the cause of your lower back pain. So that's what we're trying to highlight here today. So Kathy, what's a second type of back pain that they need to be aware of?
Second type definitely is a disc issue.
Okay, so meaning a lumbar disc, or like many people have heard of a herniated disc. Okay, so there's certain signs and symptoms that if your low back pain is caused from a disc, that we can do an evaluation on, and we can see if you fit into that pattern, meaning that you have disc symptoms that is causing your lower back pain. So what would be a third thing?
A third thing is due to your hip, a hip joint pathology.
This is a perfect example of where you failed multiple treatments. And we see this a lot because we see people that have failed chiropractic care, failed physiotherapy, failed injections because they're treating the low back. But they miss the true cause of their back pain because it's dealing with their hip. And when you start treating the hip, your back pain starts to go away. So we see this a lot here, actually. Hip problems that are leading to causing someone with lower back pain. So what would be a fourth example of what causes low back pain?
A fourth example is a mechanical issue.
What do you mean a little more in depth by a mechanical issue for them?
I would say mechanical issue as in your vertebral levels overlap, and where they overlap is called facets. And sometimes they can be quote unquote stuck open or stuck closed, and if it's not getting the same movement as it should as the upper and lower levels, then it can elicit as back pain.
Perfect. So this is an example of a problem actually in the low back area with your each joint. It's not moving correctly. So you have a low back problem that is causing your low back pain. So this is an example where if someone identifies this and they treat the low back, your low back pain should resolve. So what is the fifth thing? What's the fifth reason or different kind of lower back pain?
The fifth one I'd say is the good old muscle strain.
Perfect. So this video is going to highlight 5 basic cases of low back pain. And the important thing here is when you're seeking treatment for low back pain that they identify the true cause of this. Because if they miss the cause, you may have failed treatments, wasted time, wasted money. So if you're seeking treatment for low back pain, the key is to identify what is the cause of your low back pain. So if you like this video, if you know someone who's dealing with lower back pain right now, please share it on Facebook, and don't forget to write a comment below. We thank you for your time, and we hope that you found this informative. Thanks.